pretty look.
What'd you do?
Now, I am certain many of you had the same reaction that my husband just had when you saw my hair dryer detached from its cord. And you were thinking, what is going on here? Well, I wanted to get on here and do a quick video about warranties, and particularly on the T3 Cura Hair Dryer. I purchased mine about 2 years ago. It was during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so I did get it on sale, but it was still spendy. I think I got it for around $160. I know retail price is usually $200 or more. So when I bought this, several of you said, okay, it's gonna be interesting to see how long it lasts. And I know personally when I make a huge purchase, I mean, let's think about a car, for example, and you look at that warranty that they give you with the car for a certain number of years, how many of us go, now, are they really going to live up to that warranty? If something goes wrong, how easy is it going to be to get it fixed? So I'm going to share my experience with you here and tell you how this story ends up. So a couple of months ago, I had kind of a rattling noise in my hair dryer. And I'm like, I wonder what that is. And then I turned it on one day and this small little piece of white plastic kind of came shooting out the end of the hair dryer. And I thought, oh, that's not good. And then I started noticing that the filter on the end of the blow dryer just kept rattling off when I was doing my hair. So I finally got it back on, got it to stay. And then another little chunk kind of came loose and came out, and then my filter would not stay on. I would start blow drying and it would just rattle and fall off, and I would put it on and I thought it was clicked in place. So in between those times, I had contacted the company and said, hey, this filter keeps popping off, what's wrong? And they just promptly sent me a new filter. Well, that was all good, but it didn't solve the problem because that new filter on there was still nothing to keep that filter on. So finally I thought, okay, we're gonna find out what this warranty is all about. So I went online, filled out the warranty claim form, and very quickly, like within probably 2 hours or so, I had a claim number, a warranty claim number, and I had pre-approval to get my blow dryer replaced. Now, along with that warranty claim number came instructions, detailed instructions of what I had to do to complete the warranty process. And one of the first things I had to do was I had to clip the cord of the hair dryer as close to the dryer as possible. And then I had to handwrite a note with my claim number, why I was requesting warranty service, and my information, my address, my name. And I had to take a picture of that note with the blow dryer showing the separated cord and email that in response to this email. And so I'm like, oh no, because once I clipped that cord, I knew I was not going to be able to use that hair dryer. And I thought, what if they don't replace it? What am I going to do? Because at that point it was still running. I just had this filter that was flying off the end. So I went ahead and did it, took the picture, and immediately received a response saying, okay, we will ship out your replacement within 2 days. And I think I had a tracking number within 2 days. It took about a little over a week to get here. Thankfully, I happened to have a travel size T3 Cura that got me through, and then I was traveling to Georgia anyway, so it kind of worked out timing wise. But lo and behold, I got home from Georgia and here was waiting a replacement blow dryer. Now, it did come in a regular box, kind of the original packaging, and they did send me the 2 airflow concentrators, both this one and the larger size, so brand new ones of those. So they sent me the whole complete set for the T3 Cura hair dryer, but on the box was a note saying that this was a factory refurbished model, but it had been thoroughly checked out and all of that. So I don't know how they do that, but it's basically almost like new. So I used this today. I'm happy to report it works like a dream, and it's so nice to have the filter staying on as I'm using it. So with all of that being said, I was very pleased with how T3 handled their warranty. It was relatively easy to fill everything out. Their response was very quick. Of course, that intrepidation when I'm cutting the cord, I'm thinking to myself, why? Why do I have to cut the cord? But then it dawned on me, we live in a world, unfortunately, with a lot of dishonest people. And so they wanted to make sure that if they're gonna send me a new hair dryer, my old one is not going to be working anymore. So they're not gonna send you another one that you go on eBay and resell. So they wanted to make sure that that old hair dryer was beyond repair and it's not going to be functioning anymore for me. So that is my story. I hope that it's helpful for you. Again, when you're spending $200-300 on a hair dryer, you want to know that if something fails, they are going to back up their claims on their warranty. And I am happy to report that T3 did back up their warranty, and it was super easy. Other than a description of what was wrong with it, they didn't drill me on how this happened or anything like that. In fact, I don't know how it happened, but they were very nice and very efficient in getting that processed and getting me a new blow dryer, because let's face it, I need this for my tutorials. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you're looking for a new blow dryer, I will leave this link down below. It is a very nice one, and I do have a full review and a couple of tutorials using it, so I will link those as well down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.